What up, YouTube? You feel me? You can't stop trading and investing with James E. Just want to do a quick review, you feel me, on Nndm. Just some quick technical analysis insight on what happened today after yesterday. As you can see right here, Nndm traded 23.63 million shares. About half of what it traded yesterday. I think it's just, you know, just sitting, waiting for this news to come out. Obviously, we had the news of the direct offering, but they said that they would close the deal on the 2nd. So that is tomorrow. Today is December 1st. So the deal will be closed for that $60 million direct offering at $5 a share after tomorrow. Potentially, what I'm seeing, if we go over here to the technicals, like I said, this is yesterday on the 5-day, 5-minute chart. This is yesterday, this is today. As I said earlier in the last video, I seen a bull flag forming, as we see right here. If we go here, boom, boom, boom. And what I said was, you know, usually typically when a bull flag starts to form like that, you'll typically see a pop. And that's exactly what happened. Pre-market popped up to 707. Okay. And now for the rest of the day, it kind of just faded away. But when you look at the bigger perspective in the bigger picture, if you look down here, we have the 20-day 1-hour chart. And you see the grind pull back, like we talked about, grind up, pull back, grind up. Now, if you notice right here in this area, this is looking like a potential bull flag again, just on a bigger picture. Okay. Boom. So again, a potential bull flag in the making, just on the bigger picture. So I'm still expecting to see a pop. Not sure exactly how it's going to react to the December 2nd officially making it the $60 million on the direct offering for $5 per share. It's kind of already been priced in yesterday, as you see in this drop over here down to the 540s. So I don't really think it's going to drop. But again, I could be wrong. But just looking at the technical analysis, this is still holding trend in a bullish flag pattern for the bigger picture in the last 3 days. So I'm still expecting some kind of pop. I did sell my position. So what I was thinking, I sold my position, but then I repurchased my position. So what I was thinking was, as it was tanking, my original position was at $6.18.5. And so the closer I got to $6.18.5, I decided to just exit in the 620s. For, you know, just a small, you know, 4 or 5 cent profit, basically just cutting even and then wanting to repurchase it at a lower price. And then I had the potential to purchase it in the low 9s, which would have just gave me a little bit of more discount. But as this pop, you know, I was just waiting to see if it would break below 9. It never did. And then as it popped up, I got back in, you know, as I'm starting to see the strength come back, I got back in at 629. So about 11 cents more per share. But again, man, it was making this nice bull flag. A decrease in volume, but I do like to see decreased volume when it comes to red days. As you're seeing over here, this is the daily. So if I go to the daily, we're seeing a decrease in volume on a red day. So you're seeing huge volume bars on green days, and then it decreases on the red days. That is another telltale sign that I like to see, because typically if you see heavier volume on red days, then you know it gets a little bearish. But when I'm seeing heavy volume on green days, like you're seeing right here, boom, boom, the last 2 days, and then it finally has a red day, but maintaining in that high area, you know, as you're seeing like right here, maintaining within that high area and still maintaining the trend. I mean, if you draw this line straight down, I mean, you could still, you know, boom. You get what I'm saying? So it's still maintaining a trend. you know, from here to here, it's still holding that trend nicely. You get what I'm saying? So it's still holding nicely, and it's forming a bullish flag. And then, like I said, man, with the red, when it's a red day, a decrease in volume is always a good sign. So I'm still in this stock. You know, again, I want to see it push to the $8 and $9 range, and then blow through that to the 14s. So I just wanted to do a quick update on the technical analysis and what I'm seeing. Can it potentially drop tomorrow because of the news that's coming out about the offering, and it's going to be finalized on the 2nd, is what they said in the filings. So if it gets finalized on the 2nd, could it potentially drop? Maybe, possibly, but again, I think the price was already factored in yesterday as it dropped to the 540s. And then now it's kind of maintaining this bullish pattern and creeping back up. So I'm hoping to see another pop just like we did yesterday, or like we did this morning, I'm sorry. Just like what I seen this morning after yesterday's bullish flag pattern here. Bink, bink, and then pop to the 7s. So I'm kind of hoping to see that same thing tomorrow, but it hold and maintain and push past the high of 739. All right, so I just wanted to go over real quick Nndm. No real news came out about it today. If we go here, it just says 12 technology stocks moving Tuesday after market session. And you know, so right now it's at 632. So again, man, just maintaining, holding near the highs, holding in that range of consolidation in the 640s, in the mid 6 range, which is nice, man. So I'm just expecting it again. It was a swing trade of mine. Wasn't really expecting it to do much today. Didn't expect it to have a huge pop today. As you notice, every time I had a pop and drops, it consolidates. As you can see here, it consolidated for 3 days before it had its pop. So I'm expecting the same thing, pop. I want to see it consolidate and then probably pop sometime this week because it is only Tuesday. So I want to see it popping by Friday, and I'm pretty confident that it's going to do so. So just a quick technical analysis on Nndm to see another bullish flag forming in the 1 hour 20-minute chart. Just seeing another bullish flag forming on the bigger picture is awesome, and kind of typically like what I talked about yesterday. You know, in this 5-day 5-minute chart on the intraday, we're seeing a bullish flag, and then it popped, got bullish in 640s. We started seeing consolidating 640s, then boom, popped up to a high of 707. And then so now we're seeing it on the bigger picture on the 20-day 1 hour chart in 3 days, forming a kind of bullish flag pattern. As you can see right here, pops, pulls back, pops, pulls back, kind of just grinding. And then I want to see another pop tomorrow in hopes that it breaks this 739 tomorrow. But again, it could not break. It could consolidate for another day. But again, it's a swing trade for me, and I still have all the confidence in the world that this thing is going to pop. So Nndm, according to the technicals, it's still looking good. We had a red day today, down roughly 1% on the day, so nothing really big. Still maintaining within the consolidation range. Decreased volume on a red day is a good sign for a bullish pattern. Compared to the high green volume for the last 2 days when it did have its breakout. So again, man, just completely bullish on Nndm still. And like I said, a decrease in volume on a red day is also a great sign of it to continue to be bullish because of the technicals that we're still seeing on the 1 day, 1 year chart, still holding its trend. On the intraday chart, it looked weak, but as you can see, it bounced off the 6s, so maintaining over the 6s, and now it's consolidating again in the 630 area, just slightly lower than where it consolidated yesterday in the 640s, but forming this nice bullish flag pattern on the 20-day 1 hour chart. For the last 3 days, it's now forming a nice bullish pattern. and hopefully just based off everything I see can potentially pop. Kind of similar to what you see right here. As you can see this, boom, and it kind of formed that same thing right here before it popped, and I'm kind of seeing it again in this area, boom, before it pops. So just a quick update on Nndm, a quick technical analysis on this chart pattern, and I'm still bullish. We're seeing bull flag, bull flag, bull flag. So you see a bull flag here, bull flag here, bull flag here, popped. Intraday, yesterday, bull flag here, popped, and now we're seeing it grind back up to a bull flag. You know, is that a good sign? Is that a potential sign of another pop? We will see tomorrow and the rest of this week to see what happens. So again, just caution on the news. It's going to be solidified for that offering on the 2nd, which is tomorrow, for that $5, $60 million for $5 a share. So, you know, I don't know. That could potentially be a factor to play in where the price might drop, but I feel like it's already been factored in yesterday. So I don't see the price dropping. I just see it continuing to make a bullish flag again, creating another bull flag for it to have another pop. So we see here bullish kind of flag here, popped, now forming another bullish flag, pop, and yesterday's intraday was a bullish flag, pop, but today it just kind of dropped, and now it's consolidating again to form that bull flag on the bigger picture. So Nndm, still bullish on it. Just want to do a quick update. You feel me? No real news came out about it, but we definitely wanted to do an update on Nndm. All right. So again, man, if anybody's watching this, please subscribe. Please click that like button. You can't stop Mafia. You could only stop yourself, man. Never stop your knowledge. Never stop your progress. Always learn. Always learn. Make sure you educate yourself on finance, because they don't really teach this, man. I love this stock market game. I love to trade. I love to invest. I love to research. Every aspect of this I love. And you feel me? I'm here to provide y'all with my thought process, my psychology on the markets, on what I think could be valuable for myself personally. And if you find any value in this, you know, I'd appreciate y'all hitting that like button. You feel me? And subscribing. So again, man, Nndm still looking very bullish, creating bullish flags that I like to see. And that's going to be it for today. I plan on making another video on NIO, because NIO, the entire EV sector in Chinese EVs have been dropping. But again, man, I think it's just a bunch of bullshit news out there that's scaring the retail investors to sell. And then also, I mean, it's up so much, man. Everybody wants to collect some profit, man. Nothing wrong with collecting profit. And I could, you know, can it potentially still drop? Sure. But you feel me? I'm extremely bullish on that for the long run and maintaining my position in there. But Nano Dimensions, still looking very bullish, looking beautiful. It needed a red day, and I could only see more green to come. So that's going to be it for today. Just a quick review on the technical analysis of Nndm. Still bullish, still headed for the 8s, the 9s, and boom, hoping to see it in the 14s soon. All right, so that's going to be it for today, guys. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It's very much appreciated. Yay.